Redbubble is one of the most popular marketplaces for print-on-demand sellers, and it's a great option to either start selling or to expand your online business. In this video, we'll go over the basics on how to start selling on Redbubble, and a few tips to help you boost your sales. Let's jump into it. Redbubble is both a print-on-demand platform and a marketplace founded in Australia in 2006, which soon became popular among sellers and buyers alike for its variety of products and attractive artist-sourced designs. As in other POD platforms, artists and individuals can earn royalties by uploading their artwork to the platform and selling products that feature it. Signing up to Redbubble is easy. Just head over to redbubble.com and click on the Sign Up button. On the next page, select Artist Sign Up and fill in your data. That's it. To upload artwork to Redbubble, once you're logged in, click in your user avatar and click on the red button that says Add New Work. Click on Upload New Work and load up your desired artwork. With your artwork up, fill in the product description fields and select the base background color for products. Then, select each product that you'd like to sell with your artwork, and be sure to edit each of them to adjust design as best fits the product. After all is done, hit Save Work, and that's it. Redbubble features dozens of products to build your shop around, so consider this when deciding what your store is going to be about. Some of the most popular products are t-shirts, stickers, posters, and phone cases, but there are many others to choose from. Setting up your store properly is the first best step you can make, so consider creating a brand for your store with a cool profile picture and cover image for your shop. Harness the power of social media. Share your products and related content on your favorite channels and start building a community that's eager to know about your latest contents. Use online design tools like Vexels t-shirt maker and create content to promote your products using tools like the mockup generator. Selling on Redbubble is easy, and it can become your next best source of online income. We hope this video helped you get started with your store. For more info, check out our blog post about Redbubble in the link down below. For more print-on-demand content, like this video and subscribe to our channel to let YouTube know what you want to see next. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.